guys. I'm on a motorcycle right now. Well, this is like a motorcycle. I'm not old enough to ride it, but I'm on it. And look at all the buttons. Well, I didn't know. Well, this is actually very, like, kind of cool. Oh! Don't turn it. Don't! No! I did. No! No, I know it. No, I don't.
Push that button. Push it.
Did you push it?
Push it.
Whoa! I never tried this, guys, so I don't actually have a license, but not actually get a license. I can turn it off. What I done? Oh, I didn't know. That's weird. That was creepy. I never ride a motorcycle, guys. I never ever ride a motorcycle. The seat is very comfy. It's actually very comfy, guys. And there's like a little thingy here. And it's like, now I know what that button does. Oh, I'm not gonna have to turn it on. No, I'm not gonna press the button. I just want to see the lights on. Okay. I don't want to. Okay. Maybe I should stop.
Well, don't push the button again. Yeah, there you go.
So now I kind of don't have to ride it. Well, I never ride it, but well, now I know how it feels to ride a motorcycle. Let me get it off. That was fun, kinda. Bye, guys.